Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Bigo Live application. Now click on the profile of the person that you want to report. Click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner. Here tap on report option. Here you'll have to select a reason for reporting this user. Then tap on submit button. And that is how you can report someone on Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.